You lost your dog. How did you lose your dog? Okay. So you were having a picnic and then he stole your basket. Alright, well, is there anything that we can help you? His name is Benji. Okay, so Raj tells me that Benji loves an applause. So I have an idea, okay? How about on the count of 3, let's all applaud as loud as we can to call Benji out. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Benji! So everybody, this is Benji, our 8-year-old golden retriever. Now, fun fact, Benji actually has a twin brother. You guys want to meet him? Yes? So please help me welcome to the stage. This is Buddy. Come on up, Buddy. So Buddy and Benji here are extremely talented. They are very intelligent and they have really good senses. For example, dogs have incredible eyesight and incredible hearing as well. But their sense of smell is the most important to a dog because dogs live in a world full of odors. They can help us sniff out missing persons, help us sniff out bombs, drugs, and even the presence of melanoma cancer, believe it or not. So right now, we're going to play a game called Hide and Seek to test one of their sense of smells. Now I say one out because we only need one dog to play. So Buddy and Benji, who is up for the challenge today? Anybody? Any takers? Yes. He gives his brother a chance. He volunteered his brother. Okay, Buddy, are you okay to play the game? Yes, he wants to. Alright.